One of the scariest things you can deal with as a homeowner is a blocked up drain. We want to let you know at Guardian Plumbers we have all the equipment necessary to solve your problem. As a homeowner, you're probably not really interested in what caused the stoppage so much as can you solve the problem. We have an array of equipment here that can solve it, from the smallest backed up sink to the largest backed up main line. This piece of equipment here is specialized for your kitchen sink. If you have a lot of buildup in grease, which is pretty typical in a normal home, that's exactly what this is for. It uses high water pressure to go and scour the pipes clean for you. The small machine here is used for your smaller branch lines, such as your bathtubs and bathroom sinks. This machine is also used for kitchen sink stoppages and other medium-sized branch drains in the home. The large machine is used for the main trunk line in the home, or the area drains that are outside your home that are typically collect rainwater. If this piece of equipment for some reason doesn't solve your problem, we also have a trailer jetter that we can pull out to your house that uses high water pressure to clear out the lines. We have an electronic sewer camera that we would bring out and put down the line for you, and that way we could visually identify if there's any breaks or roots in the line, any kind of intrusion, and then from there we can locate specifically where that problem is for you and give you all the proper options to solve your problem. So next time you have a stoppage, give Guardian Plumbers a call. We'd love the opportunity to come out and give you a free estimate to solve that problem or any other problems you might have in the home.